everyone, my name is Dela Bunga Juniantini. Welcome to my mini vlog. I'm come from Banjar Dinas Watas Kajek, Kecamatan Selat, Kabupaten Karangasem. I was born on 2 June 2007, so I'm 18 years old. I'm the 5 of 6 children with 4 older sisters and 1 younger brother. My hobby are watching cartoons, and the reason I enjoy watching cartoons even at the age of 18 is because it's relative stress and it's quite entertaining. The colors of my introduction. Goodbye, guys!